Welcome to the car stage, Act 41, Wake Me Up. Hi, this is Demi from Fresno, California. Have fun and good luck today, dancer. Beautiful color on you today. I love the fluff, the bounce of this costume. Looks great on her. I love this dancer's control and expression. She's great up on stage. Again, watch your shoulders. Work on pressing them down and with control. Try not to lean into that jeté too much. Your body's a little bit forward on it. You really want to pull up nice and high. But I love how this dancer sort of captivates her audience. I think it's from her looks. She knows how to really pull us in. It's a good style of dance for her. I really liked her tap, but this is really good too. Again, relax the shoulders just even a little bit more. Really want to work for that nice long neck look. Very nicely done. Thank you.